In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your TradingView chart. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a beginner, there are times when your chart can get cluttered with various drawings, indicators, and configurations. Knowing how to reset your TradingView chart can help you start fresh and maintain a clear view of your trading data. Let's dive right into the first step. If you find your chart crowded and need a quick way to reset the view, a convenient method to achieve this is by right-clicking on the chart background. Once you do that, you'll see the option to either Reset Chart or Reset Chart View. Selecting this will automatically adjust the price and any indicators so that they're optimally displayed within your view. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can simply press Alt and R if you're on Windows, or Option and R if you're using a Mac OS. This is a swift way to declutter your chart view without manually adjusting each element. Moving on to the next tip. If you've recently made changes that you want to undo, you'll find this next tool particularly handy. Look for the curved arrow icon on the top toolbar of your chart. This is the Undo button. By clicking it, you can step back through your recent drawings or settings, essentially undoing each action one by one. You can keep clicking until you revert to your desired state. This feature is incredibly useful if you've made a series of changes and want to backtrack through them without starting over. Now, if your chart is currently overwhelmed with lines, notes, and various indicators, there's a straightforward way to wipe the slate clean. Head over to the left side of your screen where you'll find a menu icon resembling 3 horizontal lines. Open this menu and select Remove Drawing Tools and Indicators. This action will instantly clear all the added elements, allowing you to approach your trading strategy with a fresh chart. Lastly, let's tackle an issue that some users encounter with navigation buttons disappearing from the bottom of the chart. If your zoom or reset buttons have vanished, there's a simple solution to restore them. You need to right-click on your chart and navigate to Chart Settings. From there, go to the Appearance or Canvas tab. Here, you'll find the option to set the navigation buttons to Always Visible. This ensures that you'll always have quick access to these important functions for seamless chart navigation. There you have it, a clear and comprehensive guide to resetting your TradingView chart. With these steps, you'll be able to maintain a clean and effective workspace, ultimately enhancing your trading experience.